Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of nails using my ModelOnes gel polishes. So the first color I'm going in with is this Mirandi Pink. Once again, they are by ModelOnes and I do have a promo code, so I'll leave that in the description. I'm going to do the Mirandi Pink on all the nails except for the ring fingers and the thumbs. Those are going to be our marble nails, and we're going to use our Africa White gel polish for the base of the marble. Okay, so now we're going back to that first hand and we're going to do a second coat. Once again, this is in the color Mirandi Pink. And then we're also using our Africa White for the ring finger and the thumb. The colors are really pretty. The design of the bottle is really unique. The top is actually made out of actual wood and it's in a square shape. So it is a little bit hard to hold the bottle because the top of it is so big. But after a while, you kind of get used to it. But their colors are really pretty. These are from my collection, or they're from the Traveler's collection, and they have, I believe it's 6 or 7 colors per collection. So once again, I do have a promo code and I'll be sure to leave that in the description. Alrighty, so for the marble nails, I'm going in with my Broadway nail art paint. I'm drawing a couple of lines and then I'm just dabbing them with acetone. So as you can see, I kind of just dab them a little bit with acetone. You want to make sure that you don't use too much because you don't want to just saturate the whole nail in acetone. You just do enough to where it spreads the polish out. We're going to come back and redraw the lines and just dab the lines again, but this time we're not doing it as hard. We're just doing it a little bit, and then we're coming back and redefining the lines again. And then after this, we're gonna come back and do a little bit of glitter on there. And for the glitter, I'm gonna be using a glittery polish, which will be a gel polish by D&D. So once again, for the marble nails, we're using our black nail art paint by Broadway, and I get these from my local Dollar General. And we apply the lines, and with a little cleanup brush, I'm dipping my brush into acetone and I dab the lines. And as you can see, the polish just spreads out. I come back and redraw the lines and do the same thing, and you kind of want to just do this until you get the look that you want. There's not a specific way to do it, but this is just what works for me. And then I'm going back and adding a little bit of glitter, so I'm basically just outlining those same lines, but this time with gold glitter. After this, we're going in with my IBD gel top coat, and we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this video was really quick and simple, and they're really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.